Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change club name using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can create your own tactics, how you can manage your club, like the player's motivation, player fitness, and also the finance itself. So let's get started. Make sure you activate the in-game editor. Let's see, this is when your in-game editor is active. You can activate this in-game editor when you start a new game. You cannot activate this in-game editor during or in the middle of your game. You have to start a new game. So after that, or in case you're already activate the in-game editor, you can go to your club logo, tap your first team. This is the first team page, and you can tap this edit button. At the bottom of your screen there is a yellow button here. You can tap edit. So you can change your club name. You can change this by tap this, and you can edit your club name. Change the long, short, and abbreviated names of the club. Real Madrid Club de Football, this is the long, Real Madrid, the short one, or this is the abbreviated names, this RM. And also you can change the other clubs beside your own club. For example, let's tap a fixtures. Let's see, maybe there is team that need to change the name. In our league, La Liga, here maybe there is a club that you need to change here. For example, Mallorca. You can tap edit. You can change the name here. So good luck. Please free to try. You can edit all the team, all the nation, even you can edit the name of the player itself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.